Thirikari yugite ni haririirie mibango ya gutigirira onjoria a thoko icio matiguthie hathara iria ingicungiririo ni waki ucio. Akiaria riria aracerete thoko-ini ya Chaka niguo guthurima haria waki wayo ukinyitio, Minister wa ICT Joe Mucheru araugire ati thengia wa waki ucio gucemania na mihinga haha na haria wira uria urutitwo ni wa gukenerwo.
No, it looks like they're doing well. It's a lot of clay soil. And they have to dig in some places 4 meters down to get the right foundation. So it's taking time, but it looks like the work they're doing is quite good. And they are on schedule.
Oho ni eranĩire ati thirikari nene ni kunyitanira na thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyeri niguo gutigirira muingi ni urakinyirwo ni motungata ma uguni.
Looking forward to continuing to working together. They've given me a few things that they need. They've talked about drainage and sewage in this area, about the public toilets that they need. They've talked about water, clean water for drinking. So all these are things I'm taking back that the people of Chaka need.
Makiria Minister ucio ni arakinyire thoko ya Kirisho kuria aromireirie onjoria ati ona thoko yao ni gwakwo ica ikuhi. Onjoria ni mahoete thirikari imekirire thitima thoko-ini ici niguo kugacirithia ugitiri. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njitagwo Monica Kaguni.